what is it that brought you all together, and how your band, came together, and when did this happen?
We started. We wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school, but we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way. And then after that, in 2022, when this MGMP started to
The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program.
when MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves. And then there we kick off with our band. And then at first it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments. But then we have few of our friends who said, "Oh, we will help you with that." And then we started, and then we said, "Okay, let's just then form a band," because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
it is an honor to be with you in front. I feel so I'm so proud of myself. I'm also a huge fan of you. I saw the way you play guitar and all. So I really look up to you also.
We look up to you, in fact. It's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already, in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, and in fact, the country. That when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. And you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, regarding financial and all. So that's the reason,
you may be in the right place.
Studio is very hard for us. It costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the recording.
So for now, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After that, let's see.
Yeah,
how to manage regarding
First
financial.
you have to. The music should be also with the.
Yeah.
Should be it will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then we'll move ahead.
Absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and the songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing. And we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you. As you know, that the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages. So the fact that MGMP has found the talent in you and you brought you out. So I'm looking forward to your jamming session with you right now.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabanggi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Enda ko de kuros kama tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga. Plus F markadong pako.
Plus F?
Salantio anjuni chaani rango. Peena namgani rangko de bangakon watchanga. Jayan anjuni bimang. Gisik. Porayani. Nambate rakani. Mandapani. Aro gemuk konik nikata. Nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungja?
Oe chugumak nanganirang unigaman na atta merong kari to aro dutrang ko koros kaingon plus F marka donggo pa ko sa nibo maina uno iron aro vitamin rang ko nangani kriotna sungi chane chaoba mukron chinioba aro chatho nioba mamang dengtangani ko ijawa
Dentang rekan ku ijo ramai nasra brans ka injok.
endiba mengsau blongen dengtang rekani donga anchingyan seng baljokaniyo Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambatte jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.